No matter your age, you can still improve whatever you want to change in your life. Nobody is going to do the job for you. You need to motivate yourself and start taking action on the goals that you set for yourself. Don't wallow in what you don't have now. To reinvent yourself means recognizing patterns, values, or activities that are no longer helpful and replacing them with better options. This can include external aspects such as your job, hobbies, appearance, relationships, and location. However, true reinvention also occurs internally by changing your thinking and behavior. Now, let's listen to a beautiful story about a young woman named Elara who lived in a charming little town. Like the town she called home, her life seemed peaceful and unremarkable. Elara had grown accustomed to the routines of her everyday existence. However, hidden behind the calm facade, a feeling of restlessness stirred within her. One crisp autumn morning, as the leaves painted the landscape with shades of amber and gold, Elara found herself standing at a crossroads. It wasn't a physical intersection, but a metaphorical one where she had to choose. She realized that she yearned for change and a metamorphosis of self. Elara was an avid reader who embarked on a journey of self-discovery through books. Her diverse collection included ancient philosophy and modern self-help guides. She used each book as a stepping stone to better understand herself and the world around her. As she read the wisdom of sages and the experiences of ordinary people, she began to identify patterns and insights that resonated with her soul. With her newfound knowledge, Elara ventured into hobbies and passions. She attended art classes and discovered the joy of painting and the therapeutic nature of creativity. Her canvases became her mirror, reflecting the kaleidoscope of emotions within her. Elara painted landscapes and the contours of her desires and aspirations with each brushstroke. Elara realized that reinvention was not just about adding layers to her identity, but also about shedding old skin. She understood the importance of decluttering her life, both physically and emotionally. She let go of relationships that no longer served her growth, recognizing that some connections, like seasons, are meant to change. Although the process was complex, it opened the doors for new, meaningful relationships to blossom. Elara's journey of self-discovery led her to discover the importance of mindfulness. In a world full of distractions, she learned to be present in every moment and cherish the richness of life. Meditation became her anchor, enabling her to stay grounded during uncertain times and push forward when change threatened to overwhelm her. Elara discovered that reinvention was a dance of resilience and adaptability. Life played its symphony, and she learned to sway to its rhythm. Challenges that once seemed like obstacles became growth opportunities. Failures, instead of being setbacks, became stepping stones to success. With each setback, Elara emerged stronger and more in tune with her potential. The town that had once confined her spirit became the backdrop of her transformation. Elara engaged with the community, not as a passive spectator, but as an active participant. She organized workshops to share her journey, inspiring others to embark on their paths of reinvention. The once quiet town echoed with the collective footsteps of individuals embracing change. Elara realized that reinvention was not a linear path, but a continuous cycle. Life unfolded in a growth, decay, and rebirth cycle, similar to the changing seasons. She learned to embrace change as a way of life and a perpetual journey toward becoming the best version of oneself. As the years went by, Elara reflected on the various chapters of her life and was amazed by the story she had written. The girl who was once uncertain and restless standing at the crossroads, had transformed into a woman who welcomed change with open arms. Her story became a testament to the power of self-discovery, resonating with those who dared to reinvent themselves. Reinventing oneself is the ultimate in personal development. By setting a conscious goal of becoming the best version of oneself, you often need to make significant changes in your career or personal life to embark on a new path that brings you more fulfillment, contentment, and peace of mind. However, it's important to remember that reinventing oneself is usually a gradual process, and taking your time to build up towards this change is perfectly okay. Reinventing oneself is a challenging process that requires a complete change in one's life. It involves making significant sacrifices and changes to one's lifestyle. However, staying faithful and committed to the process can be very rewarding. Regardless of age or circumstances, it is always possible to reinvent oneself and change one's life. Pursuing a new path in life may require hard work and resilience, but with motivation and determination, nothing is impossible. Change is synonymous with reinvention. Every time a significant change occurs, whether leaving a job or relationship, moving, or losing a loved one, we must decide who we want to become, or risk not reaching our full potential. Before reinventing yourself, taking a step back, reflecting, and writing down your thoughts is essential. Reinventing oneself involves a personal transformation or change in various aspects of life, such as modifying beliefs, values, habits, careers, relationships, or lifestyles. It is a process of self-growth, adaptation to new circumstances, or pursuit of new goals. To achieve this, you must leverage everything you've ever done, including sound and bad experiences, successes, and failures. Reinventing yourself requires breaking old habits and using them as a foundation to create a new version of yourself. This involves changing your perspective, taking more risks, being open to learning and correction, and overcoming low self-esteem to believe in yourself. Choose to be courageous instead of letting fear dictate your future. We hope this story has helped you learn more about reinventing yourself. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.